Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to import the Toronto demo. Before importing the demo, I will need to activate the theme. Here I will need to add the license code. I added my license code and now I will press check license. My theme is now active. I will refresh. The theme supports SVG icons for features and amenities, and for those icons to be imported along with the demo import, you will need to install the SVG support plugin. I have it already installed. This is the plugin, and you will need to set it to apply only from admin. Once the theme is active and the SVG support plugin is installed, you can proceed with the demo import. Here you have all available demos. This is the Toronto demo. I will click Import Demo. Click Continue and Import. The import process might take a few minutes. The demo import was successful. I will click Visit Site and show the steps that you need to take after the demo import. The demo content was successfully imported, just that you will need to make some manual adjustments for the demo content to be exactly as the official demo. I will start with the search form. In Toronto demo, the search form in homepage was created with the property search form builder for Elementor, and after the import you might have missing tabs. This happens because on import the categories are set with different IDs. In this case you will need to assign the tabs manually. You will need to edit the page with Elementor. Go to the search shortcode. The tab section is enabled. The tab type is set as well. Only the elements for the tabs are not selected because the IDs are different. I will select the categories that will show as tabs. I will select all three of them. I will save my change and refresh the page. Now I will go to Form Fields. You can see that all the fields have been imported, but you will need to manually select the tab for each field. Back to homepage. The header now shows correctly with the search. The rest of the elements have been imported. Only that for this section you will also need to make manual adjustments. You will need to set valid categories and add images manually. I will go back to the Elementor editor. Here is the section. Here you will need to add categories manually. I will add random ones. I will save the change, and the next step is to add images manually for each category assigned in the shortcode. I will go to Admin, Properties. Here you will find all property categories. I will access categories and I will add an image for the first category assigned in the shortcode. I will edit apartments. I will press Upload Image button. I will select an image from my device. I will press Insert into Post and click Update. The same steps I did now will need to be done for all the categories that I added in the shortcode. I will show another example, but for the rest of the categories I will add the images of the record. I will go to Neighborhood, edit the category, press Upload Image, select an image from my device, press Insert into Post and update the change. I edit all the images and now the home page is complete. Next, you will need to go to Theme Options. Here you will be able to replace the demo settings with your own. Also from Map You will need to decide on the map system that you want to use. You can leave OpenStreet selected or select Google Maps. If you will select Google Maps, then a Google Maps API key will need to be created and added in the site. Also, from search section, advanced search form, you will be able to set the theme search. By default, the demo will have type 6 selected, and in this case you will need to select the categories that will show 4 tabs. You will need to do this as the half map page will use the settings made here. Once you finish setting theme options, you will need to set permalinks. You will need to go to settings, permalinks, and select post name. Save changes. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notification on new videos.